You know, the ocean covers most of our planet, and yet, it still hides some absolutely incredible secrets. So today, we're diving into 4 ocean facts that might sound totally unbelievable, but I promise you, they are completely real.
Let's kick things off with Fact 4, Earth's water volume.
Get this, a staggering 97% of all the water on Earth is locked up right in our oceans as saltwater.
When you compare it to that massive oceanic volume, only a tiny 2.5% of the entire planet's water is freshwater. And that's the stuff trapped in glaciers, groundwater, and surface lakes, which is literally what almost all life on land relies on to survive. Kind of wild, right?
Moving right along to Fact 3, mind-boggling ocean depth.
To really put this into perspective, think about the highest point on land. Mount Everest peaks at 8,849 meters. But the ocean's absolute lowest point, the Challenger Deep, plunges an astonishing 10,994 meters below sea level.
So what does this actually mean? Well, if you were to somehow drop Mount Everest straight down into that trench, its towering summit wouldn't even poke out. It would still be submerged by more than 2 kilometers of water. No way, right?
Okay, here is Fact 2, the unmapped frontier. It might completely surprise you to learn that as of April 2024, only 28.7% of the global ocean floor has actually been mapped to modern high-resolution standards.
And the incredible irony here is that we possess much better, way more accurate topographic maps of the surface of Mars and the Moon than we do of our very own planet. So why is that? It's simply because radar and light from our satellites just cannot pierce through that deep seawater.
And finally, we've made it to Fact 1, Earth's oxygen engine.
I want you to meet phytoplankton. More specifically, a tiny, totally invisible cyanobacteria known as Prochlorococcus. These guys are so incredibly small that hundreds of thousands of them can drift in just a single tablespoon of sunlit seawater.
But don't let their size fool you. These microscopic organisms are absolute powerhouses. They're actually responsible for producing roughly 50% of all the oxygen on Earth. That means literally every second breath you take comes directly from the ocean.
Conclusion: the ocean supports life. The ocean isn't just some giant body of water out there. It is the fundamental engine that shapes our planet and supports all life across Earth. Knowing that we know more about Mars than our own seafloor, what other secrets do you think are hiding down there in the deep? Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most, and be sure to subscribe to Think Beyond for more incredible explainers just like this one.